Have you ever spotted somebody doing this exercise at the gym? This is called an Arnold press, affectionately named after, you guessed it, Arnold Schwarzenegger. And it is an alternative to an overhead press right here. And a couple things you'll want to keep in mind when you do an Arnold press is that you usually cannot go as heavy as you would for a traditional overhead press. And that's just due to the nature of the rotation as you come down. You're not going to want to have heavy weight for that because it creates a very unstable environment. So with this one, you're going to want to do this seated so you don't wreck your low back, and you want to get your shoulder blades pinned up against the pad behind you. The other thing that I see people do incorrectly is they come way too far down, so we lose all tension in the muscle, and they go and they lock completely out. So there is a Goldilocks spot, if you will, where you want to keep tension in that muscle as you come down and then come up and twist without locking your arms. So this is a great one to add definition and sculpt your arms, as well as adding a variation to your shoulder training.